How to get chilled tomato and grow a garden on Roblox. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to get chilled tomato and grow a garden on Roblox, you need to take advantage of the game's weather system and understand how mutations work. So what exactly is a chilled tomato? So a chilled tomato is a special type of tomato that looks frosty and has ice particles. Its worth is twice as much as a regular tomato. So how you can get the chilled tomato? Wait for the frosty weather. The chilled tomato only appears when it's frost weather in the game. This weather happens randomly. You will know it's frost weather when you see a snowflake icon at the bottom of your screen and your character shivers. Now plant tomatoes at the right time. Plant your tomato seeds right before as soon as frost weather starts. This will give you a better chance of growing a chilled tomato. And don't water. Avoiding watering your tomato plants during the frost weather. If they get wet, they will turn into frozen tomatoes instead, which are different, and also increase your chances of mutation. Use sprinklers. Place advanced or godly sprinklers near your tomato plants, and these sprinklers can help increase the chance of mutations, including the chilled tomato. And also use the pits. So the polar bear pit can randomly turn nearby crops into chilled or frozen tomatoes, and the chance of this happening increases as the pet gets older, and it happens more often. So why are chilled tomatoes good? Chilled tomatoes sell for twice the price of regular tomatoes, so you will earn more. Some quests in the game, like the Angry Plant quest, need chilled tomatoes as well. So watch the weather. Keep an eye out on the game's weather so that you know when the frost weather is happening, and avoid frozen tomatoes. And also think before harvesting. If you need chilled tomatoes for the quest or just like how they look, don't harvest them right away. So by following the simple steps, you can grow chilled tomatoes in a grow garden and make more money and progress in the game. So that's it for the video. If you found it informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.